This is Samaj Jutal of Class 8 and I wish to present the bulletin report of Vimal V. Deshpande School of Excellence for for the month of September 2023. Mathematics Club Activity, Fun Fair, Yellow Color Day Celebration and Result Declaration of Periodic Assessment 2. Mathematics Club Activity. On 2nd September 2023, the students of grade 6 presented a Mathematics Club activity on commercial mathematics. This enabled the students to enhance their commercial mathematical abilities. They also learned concepts used in business like simple and compound interest, profit and loss, taxes, loans, etc. Fun Fair. A fun fair was organized in our school for the students of grade 4 to 6. The main aim behind this was to imbibe in the students unity, cooperation and a sense of responsibility. And most important was to make them feel special and to allow them to enjoy the day to the fullest. Yellow Color Day Celebration. Yellow Color Day was celebrated in our school for the children of kindergarten. The little ones were attired in yellow outfits. They celebrated the day with ecstasy, joy and happiness. The color had a positive influence on tender thoughts. Result Declaration of Periodic Assessment 2. The results of Periodic Assessment 2 from Playhome to grade 10 were announced on 2nd September 2023. The parents were delighted and satisfied to witness their ward progress. Teachers' Day Celebration. Our school celebrated Teachers' Day on 5th September 2023 with great joy and enthusiasm to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. The whole program was organized by the students of grade 10. They entertained us through their dance and value-based skit. On this auspicious day, the students also expressed their gratitude and respect towards their teachers. Sri Krishna Janmashtami and Srimati Radha Deshpande's birthday celebration. Sri Krishna Janmashtami, the festival that radiates with the divine energy of Lord Krishna's birth, was celebrated in our school on 6 September 2023 with great joy and happiness. In addition to that, our school also celebrated the birthday of Srimati Radha Deshpande, founder, trustee of Sri B.R. Deshpande Memorial Trust. The chief guest of the function, Srimati Vidya Kanetkar, in her address, threw light on the life of Sri Krishna and Srimati Radha Deshpande's services to the society. Social Science Club activity. On account of International Literacy Day, which is observed on 8 September every year, the students of Social Science Club presented an activity on 9 September 2023 on the theme Eradicate Poverty and Save the Country Through Education. Through this activity, they enabled us to understand that education is an instrument that can completely eradicate poverty. It is the groundwork on which much of the economic and social well-being of citizens is built. Hindi Divas competitions. As a part of a Hindi Saptah and to promote Hindi language, various competitions were conducted for students in our school on 9 September 2023, such as Pick and Speak, Debate, Skit, etc. The students participated with great zeal and spread the fragrance of Hindi language. Hindi Divas celebration. To celebrate the popularity of Hindi language throughout the nation and Hindi Divas is celebrated on 14 September every year. Even this year, our school celebrated Hindi Divas with great joy and enthusiasm. And this enabled the celebration included songs, dances, and speeches. The chief guest of the function, Kumarappa Nayak, addressed the gathering in a quite effective and impressive manner. Observance of International Day of Democracy. On 15 September 2023, our school observed International Day of Democracy with the purpose of promoting and upholding the principles of democracy. Mrs. Chaitravati Muppaya Navamad administered the oath of preamble of Indian Constitution to the students and staff of the school during the school assembly. Ganesh Chaturthi celebration. On 16 September 2023, our school celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi with great pomp and festivity. The students of Greenhouse presented the skit, performed dance in the most exuberant music and colorful attire and spoke about the significance of the festival. The program concluded with the positive vibes all around. Kite making and clay modeling competition. As a part of, to add another blooming bud to a bouquet of activities, a kite making and clay modeling competition was organized in our school for the students of grade 1 to 10 on 16 September 2023. The students participated with full zeal and fervor, and this enabled them to give a better shape to their creativity. On this occasion, on the colors and innovative thoughts. Symposium on Vedic Mathematics. A symposium on Vedic Mathematics was organized by our school on 22nd September 2023 for the students of grade 5 to 10. The main aim of this symposium was to enhance skill development, improve vital attributes, technical and analytical skills of the student to make them ready for challenges in the future. IT Club activity. On 23rd September 2023, the students of our school presented an IT Club activity on the theme Impact of Smartphone Addiction and Unplugging from Smartphones. The students presented a pantomime highlighting how one can balance the advantages and challenges of technological issues in today's society. Thank you.